51. The pond. He fell up to a snowball. His legs caught a frozen pond. Then finally he stopped. Kip said, "What was right? I can't play in the snow now. Went back home." He climbed into his feet. And then whoosh! The ice was slippery. Then he fell. Bang! Ouch! Cried Kip. He got back into fish. On his fish. Then he slipped again. Out! Bang! Out! Cried Kip. He stood up again. Then he carefully Kip. Then he slipped again. He slipped 4 more times. Then finally he was at the frozen pond. He climbed up on his tree. He got the so in the grave. Then he got in the bed. He got back in the bed. Then they give both of him. The mission is over, Kip. Let's play snow. Come out. Let's go to the model world. I'm done to play in the snow today.